Your feet realize that you're going back. You go to see your master, he welcomes you with a grin. Let's try to forget your love, it says that we'll go back to skiing. But just a cloud of fire, it was written in the sky that you were bound to get back. Take all the things you know and all the memories you didn't do, and put them in yourself right across your favorite books. Forget your lot of tales and erase the splattered trails. Realize that you're going back. But don't say a word about the things I left behind, because I love them more than you left know. But don't say a word about the things I left behind, because I love them more than you left know. At night you go to sleep and you turn into a child that cried for his deathbed or alone into the wild. He speaks with words so true and his eyes look so blue, and we realize that people's gone back. You love her with your soul, with your hands you held her here. You wonder why she came if she knew she never said. You have saved your pain and blessed the quest for happiness, and you realize that you're gone back. But don't say a word about the things I left behind, because I love them more than you left know. But don't say a word about the things I left behind, because I love them more than you left know. 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 More than you ever know.
Bueno, esto era Going Back y ahora viene un tema que no suelo tocar mucho, pero bueno, un tema bueno para